My name is Achome Suzan. I come from Kumi District, Ongina sub-county. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was working in a company, and that was film company. It was dealing in the manufacture of these black pills, green pills, white pills. I joined the Gudie Leisure Farm. Through communication, they communicated to me. Immediately I responded. I chose to join Gudie Leisure Farm. I was just idle in the village. As I heard more details about it, so I said that I cannot just be here seated at home after me coming from the other company. So I said, let me go and get some knowledge from there, which can make me expand it. I'm in aquaculture. I have learned how to keep records, how to care for the fish, and we have learned about the business model canvas and the challenges which you face and the solutions which can be given. There can be lack of knowledge and skills you face if you're not educated, if you don't know much about fish farming. I've learned how they care for the chicks. You have to provide them with light, and you give them also water. You have to be providing them with also enough food, and you have to be cleaning the poultry house. And even in piggery, you have to learn how to clean the piggery house. You'll be giving them food in time, and also you treat them also when they are sick. So when I go back from Gudie Leisure Farm, I do promise to go and expand my knowledge to the other people behind me, so that they can also be better people in future. I do thank Gudie Leisure Farm for this opportunity. It is gonna make me a better person in future. So I thank them for what they are doing, and may God bless them.